Hi, welcome to railtown.ai. In this short video, I'll show you how to set up an API token on Jira and how to connect it to your railtown.ai project. What it will give you is the ability to push tickets directly from railtown.ai into your existing Jira project. All right, let's get started. First, you need to log in into railtown.ai. Once you've logged in, select the project that you'd like to configure. So by default, you'll see a list of projects. Click on that gear button and click on configure project. Go to the ticketing tab and look for the external project API token. This is the token that we're going to create on Jira, and this is the field that we're going to populate with that token. Now, go to your Jira account and click on Profile. In Profile, there's also a tab that's called Security, and this is where you can set up your API token. You can create and manage API tokens. Click on that button. It will prompt you to create an API token. Give it a meaningful name. Test token. Good enough. Create. And you can click on that eye icon in order to be able to copy, or you can copy by clicking on that button in order to see and then compare. So I'm going to close it. I'm not going to use that because obviously you guys have seen it. I'll just recreate another token here quickly, and I'm going to copy that token. Now I'm going to go back to my Railtown project. I'm going to paste that token here, click on Save Changes, and I'm done. That's it. So whenever you go back to the app dashboard and whenever you click on any of the error buckets and let's say you want to create an error, a ticket for that specific error, all you need to do is to click on that new ticket to track error, and it will create a new ticket in Jira, so that you can quickly assign it to one of your team members and get started on fixing that annoying error. All right, thank you very much for watching it, and see you soon.